Hey everyone! Today we are opening the MSI Katana 15HX Model B14W. If you want to learn more about its build quality, display, performance and battery life, check our detailed review on laptopmedia.com. The link is in the description below. Let's get started. We undo a total of 13 screws from the bottom panel of the laptop. We are using a JIS No. 1 screwdriver, which fits these crosshead screws better than a regular Phillips and reduces the risk of stripping their heads. This screw sits a bit deeper in the panel, so the magnetic tip of the screwdriver cannot pull it out. Two of the screws are shorter than the rest. This is the first short one. And this is the second short screw. We make one last attempt to remove this screw, and since it still will not come out, we use an extra magnet to help it along. Here you can see the length of all screws. Two of them are clearly shorter. We start releasing the locking clips of the bottom panel with a thin plastic pry tool. We are careful not to slide the tool too far inside so we do not damage any internal components. Done. The bottom cover is removed and we can see the internals of the MSI Katana 15HX. Before we do any work inside, we disconnect the battery connector and remove the entire battery pack. This small channel helps secure the connector in place and prevents it from working itself loose. While we undo the battery screws, we should mention that this is a 4-cell lithium polymer battery with a capacity of 75 watt-hours, which MSI uses in the Katana 15 HX B14W series. You can check how long it lasts in our web browsing and video playback tests on laptopmedia.com. Don't forget to visit and see our top 100 laptops with the best battery life ranking page. This is the solid-state drive. The laptop has a single M.2 slot for NVMe drives, wired for PCI Express 4, so you can install a fast SSD. The thermal pads around it are thick and elastic, so we carefully lift the SSD out of its slot without bending it. Here is the SSD itself, removed from the slot. We place the SSD back into the M.2 slot. Next, we will also remove the memory modules. We peel off the metallic shielding tape that covers the memory area. We release the side clips and take out one of the RAM sticks. The laptop offers two SODIMM slots for DDR5 memory, running at up to 5600 megatransfers per second. This makes future RAM upgrades straightforward. We reinstall the memory module back into its slot and stick the shielding tapes down again, so they continue to act as EMI and RFI screens over the RAM area. While we're putting the RAM back in, let's mention the modem currently on the right. For wireless, it uses an Intel Wi-Fi 6 EAX211 module with a 2x2 antenna setup and Bluetooth 5.3. That was a quick look inside the MSI Katana 15 HX B14W. With its 75 watt-hour battery, DDR5 memory, and NVMe storage. For details about cooling behavior, display quality, and real battery life results, check our full review on laptopmedia.com. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more laptop teardown videos.